Well, we're here at the demo booth at Shared Services and Outsourcing Week here in Orlando, as promised, showing you some great technology. Well, last month we released and put into public preview a new technology, AI Computer Vision. And today I've got Lewis, thank you for your time, Lewis, here at the booth, to talk a little bit about this AI Computer Vision. Give me an idea what this means.
Yeah, sure. So this is some new cutting edge technology that UiPath has released. And essentially what it is it's a new activities pack.
Okay.
And so what our team did was they actually refactored some of our fundamental activities like clicking and typing. So what our machine learning department did was they developed a neural network in-house that uses computer vision to identify user interface elements on the screen. So things like text, input boxes, and radio buttons, things like that you would imagine seeing on a screen.
Let's see a difference of what this would mean for our customers.
Sure, let's dive in. Here I've got just an example PDF, right?
Okay.
This could be some fillable form, and with our classic packs, things like typing and clicking with PDFs can be somewhat difficult.
Okay.
So when I hit indicate on screen here, we see the blue pane of the this robotic vision is highlighting this entire screen. We can't find selectors for the individual elements on this screen. So if I wanted to type in this given name field, I would have to do some clever workaround to make this work. Maybe I could click on this and use tabs or keyboard navigation
Trying
to get
to find
this
it
form.
somewhere.
Exactly. And this is analogous to any sort of remote environment. So if we're dealing with Citrix environments or virtual machines, same thing happens. We can't reliably find selectors with our classic activities. So now, with the release of our new computer vision activities, we can do just that. So let's go ahead and build a little example here. So I've pulled in my computer vision screen scope here. I'm going to indicate on screen the form or image I'd like to deal with.
Any PDF, any remote system, Citrix, you can be looking at the screen. Whatever's on the screen, you're going to grab.
That's exactly right. So let's go ahead and use a computer vision type into activity now. So I'm going to drag it into our workbench here, and now I'm going to indicate on screen. So now this is where it gets cool. So now we see that we're able to identify every single word and input box on this form. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and we're going to see the system actually creates what's called a smart anchor, so we can reliably find that text box every time.
So if that text box moves, will it go and try and find it?
So it will use that anchor, and in this case, we selected this text box that's next to the given name field. So if those rearrange somehow on the page, it would look for that same pattern. So let's go ahead and run this automation here. So the OCR is going to scan this page here. It's going to identify the given name field and go ahead and type UiPath into it.
Great, so filled it all out. It could do any kind of forms, brand new kind of technology, in public preview now, so people can look at it. What kind of benefits are you hearing, or what do we think is going to happen for customers? What's the big benefit for them?
Sure. So this is a real game changer when it comes to virtual environments. So anything we're talking about remoting into a machine, VMware, Citrix environments. In the past, sometimes it was impossible to grab reliable selectors for those kind of scenarios. Now, with computer vision, we're able to reliably determine these selectors, which means that we can accurately and confidently type and click in these kind of environments.
A real game changer, I totally agree. AI Computer Vision now in public preview. Go to our website, check it out. Call your salesperson or customer success manager if you want to know more. And of course, follow us online at any time for more demos and interviews from Shared Services and Outsourcing Week.